So I am gonna just cut right to the chase. I have been asked a lot, what makeup you use, Bam? What do you do? How long does it take you to do your makeup? So I'm just gonna do a quick tutorial of my little, maybe 5 to 10 minute makeup regimen that I use every single morning. As you can see, my skin is, I love my skin. It is very, I do have like some kind of skin discolorations in some places, just a little over here, just a little skin discoloration. But I don't like to wear a lot of makeup. I really keep it simple and I use just bare minimum, honestly. And though I am a certified makeup artist, I am a licensed by the state of North Carolina cosmetologist, and I do it all. I have a license to do it. I usually on the days that I would do like important events, I'll just really take the time and do the all of the my concealing, and you know, you can do the contouring and all of that stuff. But just for me to get up in the morning and have to go to work and back home, I just keep it very light and basic. So here you go. And let me add that I am not going to name the product that I'm using. You can inbox me if you want to know, because they ain't paying me nothing to show off how wonderful their product is. That part. So I am going to start off with my eyeliner, and I'm going to just kind of, this is but actually it's, yeah, it's an eyeliner, so I use that to do my brows with. So here we go. I'm try to get close enough so y'all can see what I'm doing. I just kind of shade my brows in just a little tad bit. Mm-hmm. Simple black eyeliner. Now for the eye shadow, I use pencils. I like neutral, so I'm gonna go in with this neutral pencil. And do I use brushes to blend? No, I'm gonna show you. God gave you some natural tools that you can use, and that's what I do. Only for my like little morning makeups or whatever. And I'll show you what those are. My little strategy that I use. All right, so this is just a very neutral. It's almost as, you know, identical to my skin tone. So I take my little index finger for the top, and I just take it and I just kind of dot it. And this is how I blend. Don't say I didn't tell you. Middle finger. Oh, I didn't mean to say that, but middle finger for this. And I take this. Well, actually, my little pinky, my nail. I'm doing my nails today too, y'all. So you see the blend already. Index finger for me, the kind of inside of the finger, right here. And this is my face. Then you know the middle. I love y'all. Ain't shooting y'all, so I'll get you a piece of. I'm doing it. And then the pinky. I just go in and just kind of dab it. All right. And my blend is so naturally blended. So for my mascara, I do a lengthening, and then I do a volumizing. So I first start off with the lengthening. I do a windshield wiper. This is what I do for my mascara. And I don't like it clumpy, but I do like it pretty, you know, noticeable. That's Benjamin Dooby playing in the background, y'all. He's amazing from, I think he's from South Africa. Really good. All right, you see, this is the actual lengthening, I put that on first, and then I go back in with the volumizing one. And hold on, the volumizer's here. Can y'all see that? This is some really good mascara. And I just might go back in with it because, like I said, I like it thick. You don't have to wear yours this thick, but I just like mine like this. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at there. Look at real close so y'all can see. And look at the other side. I love it. All right, let me do the other one and I'll come back. So as you can see, I have the other side done almost. I'm just putting the lengthening and then volumizing. But the volumizing one is the one to kind of give you a lot of it kind of gives you a thickening look. It makes them thicker and fuller. That's what the volumizing one does. And of course, the length is just what it says. The lengthening mascara is just what it says. It just adds the length without me having to put eyelashes on because the lashes irritate me badly. All right. I had to go and change my playlist because this girl, I don't even understand what she's saying, but it's a little, oh, there. Hold on. All right. So I'm ready for my foundation. All I do, I have the old school sponge. Now you have to wash these and change them often. Like I change them every 2 to 3 days. That's just what I do. So I will tell you that the makeup that I use is makeup that I have been using for years. And I declare, I don't like to swear, but I do buy it. It is just amazing. Amazing, 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 amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. All right, so I'm not gonna show you the brand name, like I said, because ain't nobody paying me nothing. But this is it. It's a cream to powder. Then I do I go in with that on. Oh, 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 oh. See how cool it goes. Oh, 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 oh. See how suele esa. Okay. Yeah, I'm talking. I don't even know what. I looked it up, and so there's translation online to this song, so I know that I'm talking about Jesus. So listen, this is I put it on my little. So watch this. Sometimes I'll take a little corrector pencil, and I'll just go in and y'all listen. My little makeup regimen is simple, and I would have been done with it by now. But I'm trying to show y'all what I'm doing. I'm trying to show y'all my business. Ho, ho. See a cool locos. Oh, 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 oh. See a sueles. All right, so watch this. I'm just going to tap it. I don't put layers and layers of makeup on my face because I can't stand it. It's too much for me. So when I say I beat my face, I just beat it a little bit. I just tap it actually, but I'm trying to beat it, but I tap it. But this is when it calms down and it gets, it's very, 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 very almost exact to my skin, and I love it. All right, so I'll put this all over. Can y'all see how I'm just dapping and dipping? Go around my brows. No, I don't outline those, not from everyday wear. If I have a show or something, or if I'm doing an event, like I said, I'll take time to do it. Sometimes I might tie my ears a little bit. You know how they be talking about you if your makeup don't match. Okay, can y'all see it coming together? All right. So here it is before I put like the little powder on it. But I love this makeup. And when it dries to a powder. But sometimes I'll seal it with a tad bit of powder. And like I said, my little sponges that I use, they're old school. It works for me. I don't care what you use. For my makeup professionals on there, again, I am a professional makeup artist. But this is just my little quick daily regimen that I use. So all that contouring, and it's so wonderful when I have like good events that I need to do. But right now, this is just my little get up and pop it on and get to going. But it's a perfect blend, and I'm going to take a picture of it later. It almost looked filterish. But look at that, it's so nice. I love it. So if I can get you another angle here. Can y'all see? It just matches, and the coverage is so good. I'll use very, very, very little of it. The coverage is amazing. Very amazing. All right, so I like skin tone, like I said. I like just kind of earth tone, I like a very natural nude look. And this is just my everyday look. Yes, 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 yes. Powder, just a tap of it. I don't use a lot of that powder. I just go in and kind of take the little shine. I do not like a lot of shine on my face. I like that matted-like look. It ain't too casket, but you know. All right, so my lip gloss. Very simple lip gloss. I use a shimmering and I use a nude gloss. So I go with my nude, barely noticeable, okay? And then I have my little shimmer. Y'all know I'm a diva. I like for my stuff to bling bling. So a lot of you always ask, man, what kind of glosses there are? Well, just a nude, simple gloss. You want to know? You can inbox me. I'll tell you. So y'all can see. I might go in on the top again and just put a little more highlight. And I like to highlight out because my hair is silver, so I have to have some type of little to my little makeup to kind of make it stand out. So this is my way of you know. Wow, this video is already too long. But like I said, it don't take me this long when I'm not kind of showing y'all what I'm doing. Very simple. And guess what? My makeup is done. Very simple look. So this is it. I have it, and I'll take a picture and show y'all in just a little bit. The last thing is I love my color palette, which is my different eyeshadow colors. Now what I do is kind of wet my brush a little bit. My brush, I got the best brushes as well. And the company that I get my brushes from, they're Boy Hair brushes, and they are an amazing makeup brush, and I've had them for years. Had them for years. And I can tell you this brush is, this is an e.l.f. brush. This is kind of like a cheap one, but I do use a brand name brushes, set of brushes, and they're good. So what I'm gonna do is just go in with like a little, just a little bit of like a deep burgundy, brown burgundy-ish. And I'm just gonna tap my little edges over here to give me like a little shadow. Can y'all see that? Boy. So that's what I do. See that? Just a little bit. If you like my video, please click and subscribe. I said prescribe. If you like my video, please click and subscribe. Actually, I do have a YouTube channel, but I don't have enough for you to subscribe to. That's just what they say after they get done with the makeup videos. But see, I blend with my hands for the most part because that's the best blending tool that you can use. All right, there you are. I'm going to take a picture and I'll post it with the video. Bye, y'all.